Muikariri gite wa kiama kia KNUT ruhonge rwa Embu Josephat Kathome augete ati arutani ni marathinika ni undu wa kwaga insurance ya urigitani thutha wa kambuni ya AON kuheo wira wa kutungatira arutani ni kamiti ya TSC.
AON ni wayo bondi ria ivecaga a member meto ma parliament cover ya health na mo matitetaga to ni mamenyagirwa waro ruto kauragia mamenyagirwa tondu nimo atongoria na ariu magitiritwa na INEC by the same body gutukeraga member meto ma parliament ni mathie mekire proper registration nigetha guo AON ikanda ku varimu medical cover mbega wateo mavecagwa niyo.
Ni athire na mbere na kuga ati mwandiki munene wa KNUT Wilson Sossion nagirire kuoya ikinya na kuria TSC gucaria kambuni ingi iria ikuhota kuheana motungata ma urigitani mwega kuri arutani acio.
If the AON is not going to do good services to the teachers, then that money to be taken back to the teacher, so that the teacher akiwa mgonjwa anaweza enda na hata he can even pay for those services.
Mwandiki munene wa KNUT kaunti ya Embu Dian Murunguma nake augete arutani makoretwo makiuria macoke muhuko na kwirihira mamwe ma marihi ma kurigitwo handu-ini ha Inooro TV Jetogo Wangari wa Njoroge.
Yes.